Alright, so live. With our double box break. So guys, I didn't post black diamonds because I didn't have black diamonds anymore in store. So I'll have more black diamonds on Monday. So can't wait to be on Monday and have more black diamonds because the product is amazing. But for now, we got premieres and McDavid and Matthews could hit really big with those. All right, so good. So on top of our list, we've got Mark. Last is Patrick. Mark first, Patrick last. Mark first, Patrick last. 30 teams, so Winnipeg Jets. And I'm on top. Perfect. So here we go. First, second, third. So on top, we've got the Edmonton Oilers. And last is the Columbus Blue Jackets. All right, Mark, Edmonton, Nashville, Flyers. Jean, Washington, Mathieu. Toronto Maple Leafs, congrats. Jean, Islanders, congrats. Joey, Tampa Bay. Jay, San Jose. Benoit, Florida. Julien, Ottawa. Mark, LA. Brad, Montreal. Joey, Dallas. Tim, Winnipeg Jets, congrats. Barry, Iowa Rangers. Trevor Good, Minnesota. Ian, Devils. Andrew, Anaheim. Remy, Colorado. Andrew, Calgary. Terrence, Buffalo. Emmanuel, Boston. Terrence, Arizona, which Buffalo's good. Check icon, rookie. Tim, Vancouver Canucks. Actually, Carolina. Simon, Chicago. Actually, Pittsburgh. Brad, St. Louis. And Patrick, Detroit. And the Colorado Avalanche. So that was a list of teams. Hope everybody's happy with the team you got. So here we are ready to switch and back in the store. All right. So I will start with Connor McDavid. I'll start with take that out because long sleeves not good. So do we have an autograph tin? No, we don't. So Edmonton Oilers, here's your luck. And your chance to get Connor McDavid. Good luck. So we start with a rookie jersey not numbered. Boston Bruins. Colin Miller. Colin Miller rookie jersey for Boston. Next, we got a rookie autograph, number 399, Carolina Hurricanes. Jacob Slavin. Carolina Hurricanes rookie autograph. Rookie autograph Spectrum, 44 of 65 for Columbus. Josh Anderson. Josh Anderson Spectrum rookie autograph for Columbus. We got a rookie base, number 399 for the Nashville Predators. Kevin Fiala. Fiala base, Nashville. Base, number 399 for the Montreal Canadiens, Alex Galchenyuk. We have 2 cards left. Or 2 tick cards, what do we get? We've got a Spectrum rookie patch, 52 out of 99 for the LA Kings. Derek Forbot. There's the 99 65. 52 out of 65. 65 Spectrum. LA Kings Forbot. So nice, get a nice Spectrum. Better than the regular. And last one, I'll use one touch because a good player on it. Good players. So we've got a dual sticks. Dual sticks. We get 9 out of 25. Mega stick duels for the Edmonton Oilers. Wayne Gretzky and Mark Messier. So not a McDavid rookie, but a really nice run for the Edmonton Oilers. 9 out of 25. Gretzky and Messier. So that was 15-16, and let's do 16-17 now. Austin Matthews. There we go. Starting with a base card. 399 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Frederik Andersen. Freddie Andersen for the Leafs. Next, we get a rookie jersey not numbered. Coyotes. Christian Dvorak. Dvorak jersey for the Coyotes. Next, we got a rookie base number 299 for the Montreal Canadiens. Artturi Lehkonen. 299 base Lehkonen from Montreal. Rookie autograph, 399 for the Colorado Avalanche. Chris Vika. Colorado Avalanche rookie autograph. Next, we get a random. So dual jersey, number 299. So random between the Flyers and Pittsburgh Penguins. Chris Letang and Shane Gostisbehere. So dual jersey, random Pittsburgh and Flyers. So 2 cards left, big cards. We get a mega patch, chest logo. 13 out of 21, Columbus, Alexander Venberg. It's a good break for Columbus. 13 out of 21, Venberg chest logo. And last one, Alex Wantage. So rookie patch autograph. Not short printed. Not short printed, but we got number 299. For the New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal. Single color patch, but Barzal, 67 out of 299 for the Islanders. Nice hit, New York Islanders. And now let's do our random. Flyers and Pittsburgh. Switch. We're gone. Gone here too. Perfect. So Flyers, Pittsburgh first, second, third, and on top we've got the Flyers, Shane Gostisbehere. So guys, that was it for today. I think I'll leave the store. I might be back, so I might be back with more guys, but most probably done for today. So we'll be back on Monday. Thanks.